Let's head now into the culinary hotbed that is the woods of Stratford, New Hampshire. That's where Summer Camp for Kids has spent the past few weeks building an outdoor bread oven. For this week's Foodstuffs, NHPR's Todd Bookman was there when the first loaves came out.
When I was talking about this project in the beginning of camp, I was imagining that a kid could go home and come up with a project that they want to do, like I want to make a bench in the garden, or I want to make an oven, or I want to start making bread and keeping a sourdough started. And that's really exciting. I feel like a lot of these kids might not do that, but they could, and some of them I think definitely will, which is very cool.
I've never worked with a more competent group of people where you show them how to do something one time and then they know how to do it and they know how to teach it.
It's just really nice to work with people to make things.
The first loaves are coming out. Eli, how do they look?